Mona, a friend in Afghanistan was telling me some time back that the people of Afghanistan, and I want to take you back to 2020, 2021, they were in desperate need of wheat, and Mursal Nurzai can perhaps shed more light on that. They desperately needed wheat. They needed food grain. They were recovering from a drought. They were asking Pakistan, and Pakistan apparently either didn't give it or gave very substandard food and supplies to Afghanistan, unfit for human consumption. India sent good quality wheat that was meant for people of India, and that was 50,000 metric tons. Does that show the difference? It does to people of Afghanistan, but does Pakistan realize that Afghanistan cannot be treated as a subpar partner? And perhaps that was Pakistan's big folly, just treating them as a hired gun.
No, well, not at all. The only folly that Pakistan had, in my own analysis, is this, that, they thought that TTA and TTP were different entities. And TTP are a terrorist group, but TTA are different people. And they're the ones who, are legitimate owners of Afghanistan and the legitimate, people who should govern Pakistan. And they are in the majority in their own country. But I think a lot of people in Pakistan believed that these TTP and TTA are actually, two faces of the same coin. And unfortunately, I fearfully admit that we have now come to terms with this. We have now come to terms with this, with the fact that, they are indeed two faces of the same coin. And I think I fearfully admit also that they would be treated alike. In case, they're not stopping these safe havens of TTP from operating within their own lands, and the kind of insurgencies and the kind of casualties that the Pakistanis are facing at the hands of Afghan TTP and TTA both on a daily basis, I fear that, Pakistan will have to do something on its own. And Pakistan has already done something of its own. We've also been in talks with the Tajikistani premier, as you may be aware too.
Yes.
So Pakistan has, because we were left with no resort. So unfortunately, as the last resort, Pakistan has gone to this extent.
Okay, Ambassador Kaju wants to comment, but Mona, stay with me. I want to continue on this thread a little more. Ambassador Kaju, you wanted to comment because I wanted to ask you about China and China's role in mining in Afghanistan, rare earth metals, and is that why one reason why India must be there and must be there in a big way? Democracies need to be in Afghanistan.
I think China's great ambition is to integrate the economic resources of Afghanistan to Western China, and that is a process we can't simply allow. It's a difficult process for us to stop, but we have the means. लेकिन अगर तुम इजाजत दो तो मैं हिंदी में सबसे अच्छी तरह ये कह सकता हूँ।
जी, अरे सर, आदेश करें, बोलिए, इरशाद।
देखिए मोना जी, आपके जो जनरल साहबान हैं उनको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि जो खेल उन्होंने खेला है 30 साल से ज्यादा, वो और भी खेल सकते हैं। हमने नहीं खेला, इंडिया ने वो खेल नहीं खेला, शुक्र मनाएं, लेकिन और खेलेंगे उनके साथ। और अब उनको पता चलेगा कि उस खेल का अंजाम क्या होता है। हम तो उनसे, मैं खुद अपने पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों से सालों क्या डेकेड से कह रहा हूं कि ये खेल बहुत जालिम खेल है, बहुत घिनौना खेल है, ये मत खेलो, इस आग में तुम जलोगे। लेकिन उनको एक नशा सवार हो सकता है कि जो आजकल जो टीटीपी का अनुभव उनको तजुर्बा हो रहा है, उससे शायद उनके दिमाग कुछ ठंडे हों, लेकिन मुझे ज्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है मोना जी, क्योंकि ये जो आपके जनरल साहबान हैं रावलपिंडी में, वो मुझे जो फ्रेंच डायनेस्टी थी बूरबन, उनकी तरह लगते हैं कि दे फॉरगेट नथिंग एंड दे लर्न नथिंग। तो जब तक ये सिंड्रोम खत्म नहीं होगा, ये आग में आप ही जलेंगे। अभी तो शुरुआत है, आगे आगे देखिए।
मतलब आपका ये अनुमान है कि ड्यूरेंट लाइन अभी जलेगी, ड्यूरेंट लाइन और गर्म होगी, एंड मोना
बिल्कुल होगी। आप देख, शर्तिया होगी। अगर ये लोग अपना ये नहीं कर सकते हैं कि लश्कर को भी रखें और जैश को भी रखें और हिस्स को भी रखें इंडिया के खिलाफ, और अपने आप जो है वो कि एक ही तरफा खेल नहीं होता है। हमने पेशेंस दिखाई है, लेकिन सब इतने पेशेंट नहीं होते हैं।
It's interesting you
अच्छा,
should point
आप-
that out. But Mona Alam, will Pakistan,
I
will there
think,
be a
Ambassador साहब,
rethink
कि आपने
that
खुली
support
धमकी दी है. This is an
support-
open threat that you have issued.
कोई आपको
I
धमकी
do not
नहीं दी
think-
है।
नहीं,
कौन
नहीं,
सी
ये
धमकी
बिल्कुल
दे रहा
धमकी है
हूं
सर
मैं?
कि
नहीं, नहीं,
आगे
you
आगे
may
देखेंगे,
see this as a
आग में
धमकी.
झलके, this
I'm
is-
sorry,
I've
I'm sorry.
never heard an
कोई
ambassador, I've
धमकी
never
नहीं
heard a
है।
diplomat speak in this
Oh,
language.
you must
I'm
hear
so
your own
sorry.
ambassadors who've
क्या
justified
धमकी?
Lashkar-e
आप
Taiba
बता रहा
terror.
हूं।
They've justified Lashkar-e Taiba, and I'll send you that clip. In fact, on Twitter, and I want our viewers to hear this. 3 Pakistani ambassadors on social media justified Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed killing innocent people in India. Educated Oxbridge kind of fake accents that they had. They justified
No,
radical
Gaurav,
Islamist
I-
terror.
Gaurav ji, I
And
do not-
they were the
I do not
toast of
endorse
down of a certain
anybody.
ecosystem in our
कोई
country.
धमकी नहीं
I am
दी है,
glad
मैंने
that they've
सलाह
been called
दी
out.
है।
I'm glad they've been called out. Unacceptable.
My
Oh,
fellow colleague on the panel is using
I am
the same kind
sorry,
of
Mona
language.
Alam. This is unacceptable.
No.
Unacceptable. Radical
I'm not
Islamist
endorsing
terror that
them.
comes from
You cannot-
Pakistan
you cannot impose every
is
Pakistani on
unacceptable.
Mona Alam.
But
I mean,
you know what?
not every
Pakistan
Pakistani is
must
Mona Alam. They have their own minds. You can go
let
and
them
ask but-
let them roast in their own fires. They lit a fire, let them suffer, and if you realize,
I'm
Mona, let them
honestly
realize,
very
let
sorry to hear
Pakistan
such
realize
comments on a-
there is
on a very
karma.
decorated
There is
program,
karma. They've bled innocent
it's not
people
karma.
in
Karma-
India,
karma,
in
you
Afghanistan.
feel innocent
Karma will
children in
bite
APS.
Pakistan, and it's
you call
already
bloodshed of
happening.
innocent
It's
children
already
as old as 10
happening,
years old.
and
Now
perhaps in the
you
times
call what
ahead,
karma is.
we will see
Just
much
Hegel
more,
has rightly
much
pointed
more
out
of
that
this
TTP was
unless
backed and
Pakistan
sponsored
wakes
by
up.
India.
Mona, wake
You are-
up.
you are speaking
Wake
in the
up.
same
If you
venom and
don't,
the same
there will be
poison.
consequences
I'm
for
so
your
happy
country.
that it has come
But
out in
I've
the
run out of
open.